You know, Adura Shedrack Aloba was there with Mama Mohbad. And the moment the news filtered that they were there, police officers, they arrived and waited in front of the court. Adura was placed under arrest today, but unfortunately, he got the help of some thugs like Damilare Kolosho, King White, and the rest of others. He knows those that people, and they hijacked Adura because there were so many. The unfortunate aspect is I am not in Nigeria. I was not there, and I think the information they got was they were just going to pick one person, and they went there unprepared. And not that they wouldn't have done that. From the report I had, the thugs, they rushed and they pushed. The lawyer was shouting, everybody was shouting, and you know the way it is. They pushed him back into the court. The police identified themselves, and lo and behold, they escaped him. How they did it, the first report is gone back to where it should go to. I just want to advise Adura Shedrack Aloba, in the homicide investigation ongoing in Abuja, on the first criminal investigating department, the homicide department, you are a person of interest. Invitation has been sent. Your other lawyer, the reason why you are going to be picked up anywhere you're found now is because the address and the documents that you've provided previously was Mohbad's house. Police have been there, they've searched everywhere, they can't find you. Invitation was extended. You were not honoring them. Your lawyer, let me look for his name again. I understand you're no longer using the service so that you can know I'm up to date. As at Igeta Abano, I still spoke to your lawyer. Your former lawyer, Mr. Olawale Adeli, Barrister Olawale Adeli, confirmed to me on Thursday about 16 past 4 p.m. that he's no longer your lawyer. So that leaves you with no other option. I'm going to be advising you like a brother. But I advise more Miss Cynthia Adebayo. Even the fact that they don't like that I advise them, but she was wise enough to yield to the advice. And she presented herself, she turned herself in Abuja. And as we speak, she's under investigation. But nothing. She was granted her fundamental right to bail. So just walk into Abuja, speak to your mom. You know what, if you never thought it's already near, so much away a job. Oh, my dear, Abuja. Oh, my dear, father. You need to present yourself because if you people are in the ways, there is no other option than to arrest you wherever you're found, because the police in Abuja, they've been to courts and there is a warrant of arrest on you because you no longer have a viable address and you don't respond to your messages. I don't know who have been deceiving you guys. That the case is something you guys can buy, or you guys have done whatever nonsense you want to do. Aboro, everybody can bear witness that I bear no animosity against you guys. We're seeking justice for your brother. If there is any person that should jump out and support whatever we're doing, if you are so sure that you did nothing, it's quite unfortunate that you people are doing all these things with social media. I believe we talk about investigation again. In the presence of the gravity of the case and the pattern of investigation, if the people involved are many, don't forget, Adura, you mentioned the name is Zone 2. And along the line, some people helped you, they broke that investigation. And we are not backing down. So I'm going to be advising you, if you don't have a lawyer, if you seek our advice, I can give you that little help or piece of advice. You can always get to Abuja, since you're not working, I want you to show you where is the room bed. We're not access to mobile. Because if you don't, you have rights to an attorney. So it's not I'm even doing you a favor. It's not a favor. It's your right. You must have a right. You have a right to an attorney. So if you don't have finance, you can always walk into the office of a public defender. That you need the service of a lawyer, you can't afford this, and you're being called in for questioning. But I want to believe if you call your dad, your mom or dad, account that year. So you're calling you're still his son. One way or the other, we're teaching conjunction people. But please, I'm going to be advising you because Adura, I can tell you for free. I'll be back. If I'm back in Nigeria, if I was around, I'm telling you, because advantage to the advantage you are enjoying is this. Even if the president is involved or has interest, or the presidency give the order, if it's a stage petition one day, it's not complete. If I had written a petition to the president on incomplete evidence, so the power, of course, lies with the investigators. But what is so they have a timeline. Only because they have to understand what is really at stake. Nítorí kò tí ì súnmọ́ kíní yẹn ní gbogbo ìtẹ̀síwò pé ó ń slow down. But we are not going to be keeping quiet. We will be making the right noise, engaging the right institution, attracting world leaders, top justice seekers across the globe, locally, internationally. Mohbad is a global brand. He is a human being. He has gone to perform in UK. He has gone to perform in Kenya. He has gone to perform in Dubai. So that's all right. See how I pray on it, I don't seek asylum. To my people come one day. Tí kú mo bá lò bá kọ ìlú bòmí kí ló dé tá a máa fẹ́ pa ní Nàìjíríà tó máa lọ sí kàṣáì náà pé wọ́n fẹ́ pa ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà kọ́ dáàbò bò ìlú bòmí. So wọ́n ṣe wá jẹ́ pípa tó máa pa ẹ̀yẹ kò kọ aráàlú kò kọ́ ìlú bòmí. Pápá ìlú tó yọ̀ bá jẹ́ pẹ̀tì lọ́wọ́ pé ẹ̀yin náà ń gba grant and gba support. So it's very easy for some of you to keep penetrating some of these posts. Posts tó bá gbé rẹ̀ lẹ́ni o. It is only a host that allow themselves to be used. If them penetrate, I could hear last week, I don't even believe such things, I don't listen. One time where I was speaking, people were asking about us, and I begin to look at people that shout for the day. it's going to be like this because mostly I said the return of the job nobody marry. But she marry me to return to your what this year go to your mulu kundu. Or she time to your little people, Umasari, Umakari to ye, to the man to streets. The time you came is because what's in for each and you want to reflect that part as a journal. The top machine, a lot of our start for a kunko. The word of party baby Sara. Only to what she thought, Latico Paromo, Papa Children. But when you have to run a local Kundo, like justice from that impossible, you will continue to endure. And the truth of the matter is, a fair echo. Constantly, the president, the other directive is out. They don't understand what it means to protect and preserve the integrity and dignity of the leadership and the integrity of the country. So any of the suspects you want to arrest, any man pull up on social media, your cup will soon run over. For advice to become a fool, anybody. What about people who are borrow? My name is Yomi Fabi. Submission for Yomi Fabi. And to ask him sorrow, don't blame me. I've been told to commit a crime. Don't know what about it, John coming more. So about it, don't I'm only going to be appealing to all the justice seekers. Dear local, where I need to tone down, Teriba. Victoria is Shibiode, Bashibiode. Victoria in Yiramere, so that we'll be able to achieve this justice and nothing will also happen to this country. I know politics and politicians, they weaponize anything. And they are seeing the advantage in this mobile case, and we will not allow them to take advantage of it. I repeat, and I'm going to repeat again. There is nothing what can trigger the people was so sensitive to leech in the hands of the young people. Anybody from 15, 16, 17, 18 to 30, 99% of them tobacco go but in Koto Pamaba they don't say finishing. If any of these political opponents take advantage of that, and that's it. And it's already in the offing. The only thing is they are all uncalculated. At our other deliver justice, at our other case of Wadi, they are waiting for the election year, which is 2026. They never know how sensitive all these things are. What about those who know if they can make attempts to want to sell it to me? Then it doesn't have any two back here. I'll make it in the law. Getting the CCTV of mobile source is the easiest. Anybody go back to the email at the phone number mobile. They can find a way to bypass them. Now, to extract the images. Even go out to one deal here. And it's all about which they can clear. Some way, a 10 years she don't hide the coming. Because I know certainly all those people in the house, they are not tech gurus. So if anybody had advised them, how I should clear iCloud go back, and how you might clear CCTV. But about this stage, you go. I've advised those that are close to the president, but I've been doing one or two things to shield the murderers in this case. Just what I share that small. He is the president of Nigeria. He is now the authentic Asiwaju of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He wants to buy a one no mama put it deal way. Whatever influence you have, whatever connection you have, you're a lawyer, you're a senior advocate, you're a king, you're a this, you're that. This country is paramount. The lives of innocent police officers that might fall victim to that backfire is very paramount. We don't want a situation where people will see reason to start attacking police officers against police stations, government institutions, because it is built up already. But we want to submit there is a video working somewhere. The international community, they can see the role of police officers in Lagos State. I understand. It's a direct stuff. Whatever they are doing with the content of that phone, or whatever they are doing by themselves, we don't want to go into the content of a phone or the confession from the shouts. It's to tell you there is a plan work on that. Symptom is this the meaning of maybe you me anyway, could you somebody? I'm always Cynthia Adebayo. This stage CID, Leko. And it's a stage, which is the other idea of it. It's said before the police and the lawyer, which is on tape, or recorded, or would delete homicide evidence. And it's tampering with evidence. It's a serious criminal offense, and it's one of the things he's being investigated for. Or would delete here? Control arrest or control boom loss your gumbo. Yes. When we said, maybe it's what we're going, you all know what you are doing. That was where I got my final conclusion. And she went on national TV. Only they said your family should come and see the full video at the Lagos State Police Command. And I made sure that he admitted that statement. Statement, which becomes a valid document. When the trial starts, you all see. We should see, will not be kidding me. So there is no way they would have shown me anything at the Lagos State Police Command. You were all lying. And you claimed you have the same video. Oh, Mojali, that's your. Since you claim you have the same video, but the people following you could not advise you. I won't be hearing it again. Now, fast forward. Again, confessed and even admitted sin. The only thing to your money, you thought I have problem with any of you. But I have to educate you all. Anything you write as a voluntary statement when you are under criminal investigation used to try you in a a court of law, nice evidence, nice maybe your lawyers, where you where is the evidence? They understand. When it is time to go to court, you will realize that I'm also. The same party, the same structure to pass the case here. The same people don't know 1 or 2 persons, no. I want to 1 or 2 persons, no more. That's why I'm challenging the Inspector General of Police to do the right thing. He's doing the right thing, but he must complete it. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan a máa parọ́ mọ́ àìjì yẹn. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan ò lè fi lọ́wọ́ sọ́fìn ẹlẹ́rìí. Inspector General of Police, you are going to be leaving very soon, officially. Ṣé ìtẹ̀lẹ́ fi sọ fún aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu lélẹ̀? You know that this particular case can affect the reputation of the president, the reputation of the Nigerian police, and affect the lives of innocent police officers if it turns south, and affect the life of innocent citizens, including properties of innocent people. Because ìjọba bá mú àwọn tó wà ń di ọ̀rọ̀ ikú bá gangan tó pa ọkọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn tó wà lórí ìjọ yẹn kò sí bí ìlú Èkó ló bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó lè máa ràn kárí. Ẹni tẹ́ máa tì tó máa tì nǹkan tí ó yẹ kó tì bọ́ta. And where there is opportunity to pick the evidence and you manage it so that káwọn tó gbé sọ́wọ́ ta yẹn kó lè domi sí wọn lọ́wọ́. And they would have saved the reputation of this administration, the APC party, the reputation of the president, and even the reputation of the Nigeria. Look at the brilliant police officers at the SCID. They are doing the right thing. They know they have no choice. They have to do the job. For the box stops at your desk. Ẹ má fi ṣe pé ẹ jẹ́ kí mi lọ kẹ́ tó ṣe o. Remember that the president is good to you. He wishes you well. He wants the best for you. And the ultimate story, Inspector General of Police, Mr. Kawade Egbetokun, I'm going to be repeating this in front of the White House very shortly. The president the National Security Advisor, Alhaji Nuru Ribadu, you are doing well in this case. So I give it to you. I can see that you are loyal to the president. But maybe you are not holding that office well to ensure that the mandate of the presidency come to fore in this. But I can still say you are trying your best. If we are spiritual enough, you will know that there is no 2 ways about it. Mohbad must get justice. Ẹni tó lose iṣẹ́ tó tún padà lọ rí iṣẹ́ mi tí ó lè tún fi justice sílẹ̀ nítorí kí Mohbad ló fi lose iṣẹ́ kò tún sí torí ẹ̀kọ́ kò tún èmi àlọ́ tó bá tún gbọ́ kẹ̀kẹ́ á tún padà wá. Because it has been deposited. It's like a kinetic energy. Oh Lord, I need the people to speak. So I did pray for the border now. The one who is so. But you got me from justice system Nigeria. But you got me too. Consider if I go like Yashua Yutobu. There's no way I want to say I want the Nigerian police to get better. As we speak now, it's a shameful thing. With all the things, even the Omomi was saying on TV, all the media houses she went to, all her testimonies are incoherent. Inconsistency will always it brings problem to credibility. I expect by now, if you look at it, the people in Abuja will look at it and say, the testimony, the statement written at the FCID in Lagos, in body book, some people were bleeding and comment out. I want to know what pharmacy. Why did you remove that from all the statements? I'm challenging you. Did you write that in your statement at the FCID? It's because the Nigerian public were not keeping quiet and were persisting. And you may know that Adamala in the Abido was actually slept in the house while Mohbad was at the show. What was he doing there? Meanwhile, on the statement to saw that don't feel Mohbad is still. But you want to see and enjoy it. I'll show you that when the trial starts. But at least you got to know you're in the house. So all of you are saying Sumo was not there. I don't know. Maybe it's of yellow. The role that Russia played very soon. So once again, I'm going to be advising and appealing to you, Adura Shedrack Aloba. I should advise you, Olo Sabuja. Only opportunity at my time, only opportunity at my sending party. She's under pain. She's still under serious criminal investigation. Potential investigation, what is big talk about this, they know what they are looking for to round it up, and they know who are still trying to show level. And it's because you people keep allowing them to see unnecessary division on the side of the public. When we see them slow down. But I think about share the baby. There were finance and connect the economy as a power call for fancy bed, called flower crew. I want to want the push case for that step, or the push for that water. Or I've put our money, public, or I've put our money, British Finance Foundation, or I've put our power on our competitions president. So it is the will and the wish of the complainant in Babi on the investigation of Abalo. Even if the president stand up today and say, go and look for all the suspects, the worst village shelling. Tom make sure we won't share. Tom have you override Gobo because of it, I want to declare wanted. And even if they declare them wanted, also maybe as I can survive declare wanted than the money one. So when you're not to declare wanted, America thought you releasing. Thought you not doing condemnation. Don't do Google database, that's why for our kiddy. Don't go to material, it can't even become. But I cannot even phantom it. The key efforts we are making. Mohbad's case, justice for Mohbad is like trying to break a rock. FF4 Akpata. Only a dishonest person will say no progress is being made. When our Tofu Akpata, they are on it and they are eating the rock, when they make it weaker and weaker. Because it will get to a stage, only one eat. Akpata Emala. It's as a result of the monumental, perpetual eating of the rock with the sledge. That is scientific, that is reasonable. So most times, what we do on social media is we attack the reflection mirror. dúró síwájú mìíràn báyìí ó kun àtíkè báyìí ó kun kí red síwájú orí ẹ̀ báyìí red ó gbé òwò síwájú orí wá dúró síwájú mìíràn yẹn wá project on the other side or shadow yẹn cast sílẹ̀. What some people are doing when they claim they are fighting for justice is they will now go to the reflection of a cleaning of a your way of rope or of a cleaning that's red stain reflection. So remove you will go to the original object. The matter your rope over show in the reflection of the your but anything about more I will see the reflection a big shot about a yo and you're showing your name about it. So that's one of the things of it. I'm going to be appealing to all because Tabatin's everybody's your ship, you call it inside the ship. Only our side fully that our side fully budget. So I'm going to be appealing to Yamubat because ṣe ń gbé òun sókè lọ́wọ́ fábí yìí ni o the last time òfojúfò calling me a kidnapper not even at this stage tí gbogbo wọn yí gbogbo yìí ní ọba bá mi dá aṣọ rẹ̀ ṣòro lọ́tẹ̀ mo wà bí mo wà ní ìjà I will fight to the end. So you've been advised. Àdúrà tí o kúrò Nàìjíríà wọn pàkéjì bó travel ó lọ padà ó dé ẹtí ó lọ bí kankan omi kan tó fẹ́ ságàdé jọsí tó fẹ́ lọ Ghana they turn that back can't go the only reason why they couldn't board you down was because there is no warrant we only ask that this person should not be allowed to leave you are needed somewhere. Until Nigeria, I don't call Nigeria. But it's all the same. You guys know how to keep deceiving your people. I also look at that, I think the Nazi deception. And you all are taking advantage of just one thing. This struggle, this project is very costly. I dabble into it without even considering the cost implication. And if they went deep again, you all have enough fund to be thwarting and disrupting whatever we're doing. But I don't know. It will always get to a stage, it looks like I am just alone. And that's why you could see that no matter how you guys try to isolate me, I still continued. And what they are doing, anybody that don't see any, they will go and target the person. Maybe that's one of the reasons people about the future because anybody who takes pleasure is saying I'm the only one with they go after them and before you know it, they start switching on me. How the public movements to everything. No reasonable human rights organization leading the pack. And of course, we are good now. We are good with the FCID in Abuja. You know, Bobo, I want to take Baraga, I want to Gansi. At least all of you can now see that it's not that it's they are not part of it and they're not meant to be part of it. Anyone financier, I want to go for officer, I will marry. If you are that bad, if you are on the Monday, I will say more. You can see the way they lie. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn tó dáwó lẹ́yìn tó wà underground ẹ̀ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ṣe láìkí Yomi Fabiyi tó la máa ṣe wàhálà lórí kéèsì kan tó yẹ pé they were supposed to arrest them àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti débi ọwọ́ adé stage kan wọ́n bá ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì lẹ́yìn wọ́n bá gbé lọ. So wọ́n wá sọ fún wọn pé ta ló ní kó arrest spending ta ló complain ta ló petition ẹ̀ wọ́n ní Yorùbá mi break the silence okay so kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ gbé lọ Yomi ò dẹ̀ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹni ẹ̀kọ́ kò wọlé fún wọn ẹ gbé lọ ẹ máa gbọ́ mi padà o tó bá jẹ́ kó wọ́n gbé lọ could it be that I truly care about what we are doing and care about myself? It's a message for everybody. Ẹ̀yin gangan lè wá di ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad. Ẹ̀yin gangan lè dá aláàbòtẹ́kẹ̀ for injustice. Kí ọmọ yìí bá ṣọ. I don't know what they are trying to do. Gbogbo ọkọ, like I always say, gbogbo ọkọ lówó. Everything is not money. Ebi ọmọ tí o bọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn fún o. Even if you don't like me. Ẹgbẹ́ ni fún ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá rò pé kọ̀rọ̀ kó jẹ́ true Yomi Fabiyi ló máa ti wá break the silence foundation. A máa block yẹ Mohbad yẹn lórí justice ìwà ẹgbẹ́ ìwà ẹ̀gbọ́n ni o. Ẹ̀yin iṣẹ́ ìbínú ẹ̀kọ́. If you search your conscience, kò sí ti mọ̀ náà lọ́wọ́ yín. The only thing I've done in my life is to shoot movies, entertain people, make people laugh, make people learn. I'm a teacher in my own right. So by what people know before is I shoot good movies. I entertain. I have quality movies that I shot out in terms of home video. The energy I could probably spend in shooting cinema movies, I felt like 20-something years. Okay, I'll be 30 years in the industry. Let me just go back and start giving back. Probably go where we are. I want to start giving back. If I to bash you away, you know, enjoy that. If I any complete time for the public, because public cannot work others. Because see, go back. I don't know if I like the people. It's just that it's share to it's share like we walk. And we appeal to people to come and patronize our crafts. So see, àti Michael Jackson ni o, àti Wizkid ni o, àti Davido ni o, àti Burna Boy ni o. It is the peanuts tó ń wá látọwọ́ individual fan òun ló ń di odindi. Bí fan ẹ bá ṣe pọ̀ sí, lówó ẹ ṣe máa pọ̀ sí perhaps ní tó bá ṣe. And that's why some people say, let me go for music here. Unlike how much I play, I and then so you have to respect the public. But public is one that is public. Struggle by it. And if it's on social media, you'll realize that some people are not public, they're just your enemy. Because anybody that is playing a part to pervert the way of justice, they don't want to be public, you want. But they won't be on time. So anybody talk about the arrest to our own baby. Now when you advise that Oboya or Olapa don't suffer about it, so the very source of Olapa and you are still under investigation. It is serious criminal, don't involve capital offense. You are a serious problem. For your vessel, and their social media bewitched. They come here all my mobile. That was a beautiful thing. What's that about to Kajai? That will be one more of it. Touch is still go more. Not yellow, change yellow. That is done already, done it away. Over that already, never appear. Over cases becoming an embarrassment in this country. It's why if you learn so I want to be advising. She's almost very naturalized because I am not in Nigeria. And I almost left yesterday. But because of the appointment I'm having in the United States of America, okay, only makes sense. That one can always wait. báyọ̀ pé bọ́ ṣe rí múlẹ̀ nìyẹn tí wọ́n dàgbà àwọn abáṣe owó kéésì lẹ́yìn because that Ibrahim College played a very serious role and it's something don't tell me. I don't know who has been telling them that there is no intervention of the presidency. They don't understand. And it's becoming a serious smelling that even at that, the presidency are doing a job. Some people might be calling at the president at the Abalani.
Take off those old.
Moses as a leader knows that it is time for the children of Israel to go. But Thomas of Moses said, this freedom that you have asked to give the children of Israel is a threat to your kingdom. You know, some people will just go around and say, oh, how is it a threat? Slavery that has been once day holding a slave and saying don't go. How is it a threat? But see, if Moses is talking, it's a threat. It's going to be a threat to you, to your life, to your existence, to your kingdom, to your name, to many lives. An entire nation went down. But because the country, God says, I will do it. You will replace. And it's because somebody like me, I know if these people that are on the other side, so we see that the call of Shossi it's on the tree. And then come up with the other way, going back on the one way, or by making it. They have a serious intel report. But you know, by I don't know how to say it. I wish I could see these people and speak to them one on one. By experience, if you don't come by sort of level here, so that we can silver or dead. So it's about new kiki averaging was a scrap. You can't have a few combination. You'll be able that way to also do. Because naturally, why would I want? I wouldn't want to. So it's quite funny. You expect them that they are warlord in the temple of justice in the human rights community. And yes, about them. So many things are open to somebody, but you just catch that say, because you become very prosecute. You want the seriousness to come from the government. I'm going here. Probably that's one of the reasons one or two of the police officers don't like allow to one they can draw and do. But one thing will lead to another project stage go. Okay. Lights of God. Actually, she gonna go and comfy. Or you may go and ask comfy. Okay. She comfy don't get it. I'm just saying, message. Hope you guys can reach the comment section. So today King White and his lawyer, as usual, they always try to, he's been, issuing a lot of threats. They've been doing so many things. So, before the last court, he threatened me a lot. But I went there. And you all could see that before this court today, a lady in America, because he gets details in, she bragged that if I should enter into Alagbon, I will never come out alive. But I mean, they carry one like Calculating our police station, between a code to 48 hours. For the charges, course. Worst case scenario, they extend, but they still can I tell you Thomas community get the more light. So at the end of the day, when it comes today, the lawyer from Break the Silence Foundation was there, and of course, the police prosecutor did a wonderful job. And the police officer from Zone 2 was also there to testify. So I want to give kudos to the Nigerian police. They are doing well. And it was said that they were making attempts that they should throw the case out. They should do this, they should do that. I've not even finished my testimony. I've not even finished my testimony. All is left is cross-examination. But they failed. The trial continues, and the case has been adjourned to the 14th of January 2026. God willing, I'll be there. If I'm not going to be there, we'll find another means to do random. But the case will continue, and the rest of the criminals, they will be apprehended, whether it's over Nigeria or whether it's over Labrador. Like I said, Shekoni, something, Kodebaje is still at large. Temitope Badmos Ogunpele is still at large. I understand she lives in Canada. And it is very important. So by this stage, we'll get to that bridge, we'll cross it. But to them, they are still doing social media stuff, and somebody will be somewhere deceiving them that nothing will happen. Until the time, including what they are posting on Opera again. Opportunity when they say that you call them for okay, Lord. Right. So that way, we're going to be appealing that environmentally economic to saying, they are too hoodwinked with social media. They believe everything starts and ends with social media. No. Like I always tell, most of the things they say they do, pulling down by almost, I hardly see them. If it's something that I enjoy seeing, whatever I would certainly see. Me only my face was no facing. They will road smoke play. Move kakiri. Most of these people think by moving around is because I'm scared of them. No. And I don't want to know. I don't want too many cage traps. So as a boy, you would survive. You would always pull through. How many hurdles do you want to be crossing? So I like avoid come across hurdle. Why don't you avoid it? Oh no, I never watch you avoid. About this stage, you go. It is when you talk about water, they will start threatening that they are after you. But when they catch, they will come out and say, the same people that will say, you are me, I don't know. We all need that on the chat. Social media. I want to say, entire social media. See, I don't understand that. I don't know if I actually need to fish some money. Together, we're going to get a job.